What's up guys, it's your girl Neesyraychelle and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be Adidas discount try on haul. Right. So if y'all don't know, I have been shopping at Adidas discount. I originally found out that they had stuff that I would actually like through my girl Gina Janine. So I will like pin her channel up here somewhere. I don't know where it be going. It's either he gonna be there or there, but I'm gonna pin her channel because y'all, she be finding some good stuff in there. And I was like, let me go in here because it was some leggings. That's what got me turned on to it. Some $3.99 leggings. And see, right, $3.99. Y'all like them prices, right? Okay, so let's get into this video. I won't make it long. Stay tuned. Alright, so the first item that I got from Adidas discount is this black dress. It does go below the knee, and you can see that. I'm going to give you a full little spin, turn around. It is a short sleeve black fitted dress. It does have like a compression in it per se, so it kind of pulls you in a little bit and make you, you know, look good. That dress was $9.99, $10, and it's a basic black dress. I mean, you can dress it up, dress it down, throw on some heels with it, throw on some sneakers with it, some sandals. You can throw a shawl over it. I mean, you can do so much with this black dress, and I love black clothes anyway, so this right up my alley. I'm just adding more and more black to the closet, unfortunately, so don't judge me. Next, we have this gray jumpsuit, a jogger jumpsuit type thing, and it has a zipper and a tie on it. As y'all can see, it's very fitted. It fit the girl curves. This jumper was, and y'all, I should have wrote the prices down because I got my notepad and I ain't got the prices ready, but it was $8.99, so $9, y'all, for this jumper. It's definitely very comfortable, so it's something you can throw on to go shopping. Like, you put your sneakers on and go shopping. You can wear it around the house. It's just something to, you know, just have to throw on and be comfortable. And y'all, it has a hood on it, so like, I don't know, I like hoodies, so this is like kind of up my alley too. But it's super comfortable. I might wear it out, I don't know, because I do go shopping a lot, and it'll be nice with my tennis shoes. So definitely something to get. And for $9, come on, you cannot beat that. So the third thing I got, y'all, and this is specifically because Gina found these things, y'all, is these black faux leather leggings with scrunch booty. Now, if you know me, you already know I got junk in the trunk, so like, I don't need no help in that department. But these leggings are so cute, and so I just had to get them, and this is what they look like. So I am 5'8". Because I'm 5'8", these are kind of short on me. They don't go all the way to my ankle, but I can make them work. So I'm gonna make them work because they're that cute. So that's what they look like. And what I paired them with was this teal crop collar, collared crop top type shirt. It kind of looks like a dress shirt, but it's cropped and it doesn't have any buttons on it. Now, unfortunately, I had to return this top. I believe it was $5.99. It did have a hole in it, and I might even show y'all the clip where I noticed that the hole is there in the shirt, but I still want to try it on for you all so y'all can see what it looks like on. And of course, they did not have another one, so I know I don't have that top in my possession. But I really would have loved to have that top in my possession, but you know, that's neither here nor there. But it was super stretchy, super comfortable. You know your girl's top heavy, so like, the fact that it had enough stretch to support that was definitely a plus for me. And again, $5.99, I paid $6 for it. So you know, if the hole was smaller, y'all, we couldn't really see it, I may have finessed it, but it was just like right smack dead on my chest, so you couldn't help but see it. So we had to let that go. And something I forgot to say about those leggings, they are hot. So they're winter approved, or Florida winter approved, I should say, because it might get colder in other places. It don't get that cold here. I mean, it's been cold, but it's like not cold to other people. So these definitely work for our winter time in Florida, because when I tell you I had to take some things off, I got hot so fast. Like I pulled them off. I don't even think I took them off properly. Like I just pulled them off and they were inside out and everything. That's how hot I got, just that quick. Alright, so next I have this plain white v-neck tee. I love a plain basic tee. This particular brand is one of the brands I get all the time. It's called Splash, and most of the little stores like DD's and It's Fashion, Cato, like those kind of places usually have these t-shirts anyway. So I always, like, if I go in, I always grab another white one, because white gets dingy fast and I like black, y'all know this, so I always grab a black one. These t-shirts are only $3.99, so $4 t-shirts, you know, they get dingy. You don't feel bad throwing that away compared to, you know, you spent $10, $12 on a t-shirt or more, because some t-shirts do cost more than that. But of course, it's just a basic white tee, so you know it's comfortable, quick to put on with some jeans, you know, just to run to the store or something, or even to wear around the house, because I'm quick to wear a t-shirt around the house. The next thing I tried on were these black jeans. I did get them in a size 15. They are very stretchy, but the fit I was getting wasn't what I would prefer. They kind of, like, whenever I would go to bend, I felt like they were sliding off of me, and I don't like that when in a jean. Like, I like to be able to feel like I can sit down and my crack not gonna be out. So that was the only downfall with that, and I really needed some black jeans. So I am gonna go back and try to find a different size and see if maybe if I sized up, if it would be okay. My only fear is if I size up, I'll get that baggy look in the crotch area, and that's not cute. So we'll see. I will definitely try them, but y'all, I was so sad that I had to take them back. And they were $13.99. You don't get $14 jeans nowhere. Jeans are like 30 plus everywhere you get them from. Even Fashion Nova jeans are like $30. So telling y'all, these is the spot. They got the stuff. You gotta just go in there and look, y'all. I promise you gonna find something every time. So the next thing you see me in is this mauve crop sweater. It does have some string detailing on the side. This sweater was $10.99. I don't know why it looked more lavender in the video, but it is a mauve color. It's a very lightweight sweater, which is good for me because I get hot easily. And I did actually wear this sweater out this weekend with my DD's leggings that are $3.99. One size fits all, and that is true to a T, because everybody I've told to get them, they can actually wear them. So that sweater was very comfortable. It wasn't itchy, because I know sometimes sweaters can be itchy. The drawstrings on the side are actually functional, so you can crop it more if you want to, or crop it less, or you can just, you know, tie them for design. But a $10 sweater, y'all. Telling you, worth it. Last but not least, I got some plain blue denim jeans, because I told myself I need jeans that don't have rips in them, so you know I can have, I guess, like a more dressed up jean, if that makes sense. So I picked up this pair of jeans, unbeknownst to me that it had 2 buttons on it. Why was there 2 buttons? I have no idea, but every jean in there, just about all the jeans on the rack, had 2 to 3 buttons. So when I picked this pair up, I only saw 1 button. I was like, oh cool, because what I need all them buttons for? And it was a nice pair of jeans, and they stretch. Like, I promise y'all, every pair of jeans I picked up had good stretch in it. but I only wanted black in this color because these are two colors I didn't have in my closet. Unfortunately, they did the same sliding thing when I sat down, bent over, and all of that good stuff. Like I always do that test when I try on jeans. So they did go back as well, but they were $13.99 too. So I'm saying all of this to say, don't sleep on DDs. Like you look at it and you're like, oh, they're not gonna have anything for me. Like, what am I gonna find in that store? I promise y'all, I find something every time I go in there. Like my total when I checked out was $81 and I got 8 items. 2 pair of jeans included in that 8 items, and it was $81. Where you go to other places, your jeans alone are gonna cost you about $100. So you know, you just gotta give it a try, y'all. Give it a try. Y'all tell me what y'all find when y'all go to DD's in the comments. After y'all watch this video, go make your trip to your local DD's, because I'm pretty sure they're nationwide. Because Gina lives in Texas and she has a DD's, and I live in Florida and there are DD's all around my city, so I'm sure they're everywhere. So when you go to DD's, go ahead and drop in the comments what you bought, how much you spent, and y'all go on over to Gina's channel, because she be finding other stuff that I don't be seeing in my DD's. So y'all might find something that she has in her DD's that I don't have. But that is it for this video, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember to always stay chic.